Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. So basically if you're using Binance and you want to trade or buy Dogecoin, how you're going to do that. So let's jump into Binance, and if I go to my if I go to my Binance, as you can see, this is the home page of the dashboard of the Binance I have, the Binance account I have. So basically what we're interested in is buying Dogecoin. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the wallet here and then go to fiat and spot. Spot is basically the cryptocurrencies that we have, right? So now what we need to do is go here, go to fiat and spot, and this window is going to load up. It's going to take some time, but yeah, this is the window that's going to load up. Now basically what it is here you can deposit fiat currency into it or crypto into it if you already have. If you don't know how to do that, you can see the iCard. I have a video there. You can follow that and you can deposit money or crypto into your Binance account. Anyways, so we want to scroll down and then you'll see that all the cryptocurrencies there are and they're offering, right? Some are delisted, and yeah, there are many, right? So we are interested in Doge. So what we're gonna do is here in the search bar, we're going to type in Doge, right? So as you can see, Doge is here. Now what's going to happen basically is we can just buy it directly. If you click on buy, it's going to be like the direct method, but as you know, like this is something, so we're going to trade it with the BNB and stuff. So there is this method, or we can trade it. Since we actually add money into our Binance account, it then converts into BUSD. It's like here it mentioned, it's actually 1-to-1 ratio to dollar, so it converts it into BUSD. So yeah, so now what we're gonna do is we are gonna actually trade that. So we're gonna use the trade method. Click on trade, and then you're gonna go with Doge to the currency that you use, right? So for now we would go with BUSD, the one that Binance actually keeps your money. Let's say you added a fiat currency in BUSD. So yeah, this window is going to open up. Now here is the thing, what you're going to do. So are you buying or are you selling? That's the thing, buying or selling. So now what is in the buying, what's in the selling? So you got to enter a value. Right now, 1 Doge is equal to this, right? So you can say like 0.6, if Doge is 0.6, or this is equal to this value, then I need to buy what amount of Doge. You gotta enter that, and then it's gonna tell you the total price of that thing is how it's gonna cost. So right now the value is right here, which I'm targeting is right here. So I'm saying that if somehow the Dogecoin's value drop to this point, what you need to do is you need to buy me this much, the 100%, or you can just use the slider too. Let's say 25% of what my current account balance is. On that you need to buy me the Dogecoin. So yeah, then it's gonna say estimate the BUSD that you have in your account, and then you can just click this and it's gonna stay there, and whenever it hits this spot, it's gonna just get you that amount of Dogecoin. And yeah, if it didn't, it's gonna stay there and wait. Similarly for selling. So what's in the selling? The selling is something like this. You say like, okay, right now the value is this. Well, when it hits 2, you gotta just go and 32% of all Dogecoin, sell them. So basically we are saying that currently the value is here. So what we want to do is if it hits here, sell 32% of my Dogecoin collection, and you can just keep the request here. Whenever it hits there, it's gonna be like there. It's going to sell it basically. So that's how you trade or buy Dogecoin on Binance. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment. If you have any question, if you have any confusion, feel free to comment it down. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.